Congratulations, students. You have concluded week 1, module 1 of world history. Oh, you've had a busy week. And so I just want to remind you what you did this week and what you learned. So if we look at our learning targets for human migration in the Paleolithic and the Neolithic societies, this week on your Google Drive, you created a world history folder with a folder for week 1, week 2, week 3, etc. You defined prehistory and history and traced the early migratory patterns of humans on a map. You used evidence to draw inferences to create and defend an argument. That was our ITSE, right? And then you identified the key components of the Paleolithic and the Neolithic civilization and identified the key differences between the two civilizations. You turned in 3 assignments: answers to questions about prehistory, human migration, and Paleolithic civilizations. You learned to categorize important information by using a spice chart to organize your ideas and thoughts and information. And you wrote 2 essays, one speculating the death of the Iceman of the Alps, also known as Ötzi, and you wrote an essay to compare the Paleolithic and Neolithic civilizations. Congratulations on completing a very rigorous week of world history. Great job.